Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. This is going to be a fun little video tutorial on the new Colourpop Give It To Me Straight palette and in Nude Endo palette. This is what the look looks like. The peach shade is a little more peach than I would have imagined, but on my lips, but I figured this, when I got this, as soon as I got it, I was like, this will make a great Valentine's look. So this is like my little Valentine's tutorial for a nice date, or even if you're just going to dinner with someone you've been in a relationship with, or if you're like me, you probably aren't going anywhere because me and the beau will probably just get takeout and watch Netflix like every other day. I just thought like maybe for a first date, or if you're just going and grabbing some drinks with your girlfriends, Valentine's Day, that this would be a good look. As soon as I got this palette, I was just like, it speaks to me on Valentine's level. So much Valentine's level. Now, let me address something, since this will probably be the next video to go up on my channel, but I recently got a lot more attention to my channel than I usually do through my BoxyCharm video, as random as that is, and I've been living in my bubble with my same subscribers for a really long time, and I didn't get too much. I got some really great comments on the video, but I got a lot of dislikes because people were like, we don't like your attitude and stuff like that. And it's just, I'm not going to apologize for who I am. It is going to make me more aware of the sort of city attitude that I have towards items, but I do have a very sarcastic sense of humor, and I'm sorry if that rubbed people the wrong way. I want to be myself on this channel, and I think it is my right when I unbox something that I can just give the first thing that's coming to my brain is what I'm saying. Like, I'm unboxing it, I've never seen these items before. So unfortunately, everybody took that as negativity when it was more just dry sarcasm. I'm usually not a very negative person on this channel, if a lot of people who've watched me would know. But yeah, that video kind of went over like a lead balloon a little bit. I have some new subscribers here, guys. Thank you so much for joining me, but I can't sacrifice who I am growing up in the city, and that's just my attitude. I'm just gonna give it to you straight. And if you see that as negativity, I'm sorry, but that's me. Without further ado, enjoy this. I just flung my ring somewhere, but enjoy this Valentine's tutorial. Don't mind me, my skin is freaking out. So I'm taking my It Cosmetics, I don't know what brush because it wore off, but it was made for Ulta. I'm gonna take the color Matter of Fact right here, and I'm gonna put that all over my lid. I've never used this palette before, so this is gonna be quite a smorgasbord. But I'm gonna take this color here called Downright, and I'm gonna put that in my crease to start. Next, I'm gonna take my Morphe M507 brush, and I'm gonna dip it into this color here called Frank. I'm just gonna take that a little bit into my crease again, underneath Downright that we just did, to darken it up. And then we're gonna blend it out. But it's just gonna deepen up that crease. And I know, it looks real dumb right now, but it's gonna look pretty. The shadows so far this one seemed a little more patchy, but I really liked Downright. Really liked, see how it's like kind of skipping a little bit, but it could also be because I'm layering on top of like 45 other colors. Kind of put that way more into my crease than I want it to. Then we're gonna dip right back into Downright, and we're gonna blend this out. Just deepening up that crease. Can never blend enough. Windshield wiper motions. Part of me really wants to use this shade, like on the eye. Like, we're gonna do some things. Next, I'm gonna take my Luxie 207 angled shading brush. I love this brush, but I'm gonna take it in this almost like purpley brown shade called Actually. And this is going on the outer corner, ladies and gents. This is a little powdery. I don't understand how some beauty gurus can like look beautiful while they're doing Freaking tutorials, like, I look so not cute. It's very purpley brown color. This side goes up so much higher than this side. God. We're going back to that It Cosmetic brush, and we are blending that into that. Really good. And I woke just in time. I have this fancy color switch. We're actually gonna take Matter of Fact again and blend out the upper sections of our eyeshadow. Make it blend more seamlessly into the eye. Next, we're gonna take this very coppery shade here called Candid. We're gonna spray my Luxie 239 Precision Shader with Smashbox Primer Water. That's all I have available to me right now to wet my brush. We're gonna dip into that and we're gonna put that. It's gonna be intense, so hopefully this works. Or just everywhere. Getting some fallout, but sometimes that's to be expected. You want to try to get it precise along. I have super tiny lids. It's so freaking annoying. I hate that. And I'm trying to decide if I want to take this champagne-y color or this goldy color. You think that goldy color will be too much for the inner corner? I think I might just take the champagne-y color instead. But I'm intense, girl. I'm wetting this thing back up. I'm gonna go in with Straight Up. Right there. It's that champagne-y color, the third one. And I'm gonna try to blend it on the inner corner a little bit. That's pretty. It's a pretty color down, right? I like it a lot. I always do one side higher than the other one. Like, I can't do anything even in my life. I'm gonna go back in with my Morphe M507. I'm gonna take up front this like goldy color and put it like to highlight my inner corner. This might be too fat. I don't want to deepen my outer corners, but unfortunately, the deepest shade in here is not too deep, but I'm gonna take a little bit more in the outer corner just to freshen it up a bit, frushk it up a bit. Now I'm gonna take this much more precise Sonia Kashuk number 31 brush, and this is what I'm gonna use to go in on my inner corner. Got like fallout galore going on me. Then I'm gonna pick up Candid again, which is that copper shade that we used on the second half of the lid. I'm gonna put that under my eye too. And I'm gonna take the darkest shade and Actually, I'm gonna put it out here. We're gonna blend it with this old ass Eco Tools brush. Guys, I'm gonna go get this fallout off, do my eyeliner, and I'll be right back. Guys, please remind me. I need a new eyeliner. This was very difficult to do, and my lines are so thick because it exploded again all over me, my liquid liner, so we're doing this very thick winged, okay? My super thick and unprecise liner is on because of another explosion, and now it is time for some false lashes. I just picked up these Ardell Faux Mink Wispies. They're in number nothing, just demi wispies. And these are the ones we're gonna use. I always like to prep my lashes a little bit, so I'll put like a super light coat of this Tarteist mascara on. Peeved because I lost my favorite tweezers to put lashes on, so. I just bought these at Ulta. There's like a whole, they redid my whole Ulta. It's deadly. Okay, deadly. Am I the only person who gets like super nervous about just peeling the fake eyelash off of the dam. Ooh, the band on these is pretty thick. We're gonna use my Duo Brush On Lash Glue that is basically glued shut. Let's get tacky, tacky. Great if I had a table in front of me, but I'm not a good planner, nor a good YouTuber. Those pesky lashes are on, and now we're just gonna blend them a teeny tiny bit. They're already big. We don't need any mascara on them. I'm just doing it under on my regular lashes, just to blend them a little bit. Some clumps in them, apparently. I used the Too Faced Peach Perfect foundation, and like, my verdict is so out on that. It just makes me look dry and crusty, I feel like. Everybody else loves it. I don't know how to make it work. And I'm gonna take the Colourpop in Nude Endo palette. What? We're gonna make ourselves shine, shine, shine. I'm gonna mix together this color called Glad You Came with this color called Fine Lines. We're just gonna go 1, 2, and then full around in there, and we're gonna go. We want to glow. And then on the other cheek. Let me hear your body tone. Guys, did I mention I want to glow to the high heavens? I'm going to take it on the tip of my nose. Oh, by the way, this is the Luxie 660 Precision Foundation Brush, but I use it for highlighting. I'm going to take it on my Cupid's bow. A little on my chin. We glowing to the high heavens. I actually really love this Pacifica duo I got in I think it was an Ipsy. It's a blush duo. And I've been mixing them together, the Sonia Kashuk brush, and just get more of the bronzy color, but a little bit of the peach, but a little bit of the pink too. For our blush. Just very like, almost natural looking on my skin. It's just breaking out so badly. How I like to be like build up clown. Yeah. Go for a little more of a toned down lip, and I'm gonna go for the NYX Lip Lingerie in Ruffled Trim. That's a little more peachy pink than I normally would go for, but it's on my lips now. Guys, this is just a fun little Valentine's look I decided to do to, you know, use my new Colourpop products that I bought. And I figured when I got that palette, I got the Endo palette and the Give It To Me Straight palette by Colourpop. It just looked like the perfect opportunity to do a Valentine's look. And this is what I came up with. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and you had a fantastic evening. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a great one. Bye.